Welcome to the crypto. My name is Arthur. So a lot of you want me to make a lot of videos about triangular crypto arbitrage, and today we're going to take a look at KUCOIN arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. So we're going to do some live trades in this video, and of course I'll show you how exactly I find these opportunities on KUCOIN and stuff like that, because now we are connected to KUCOIN exchange. So if you already have a scanner, you already know what to do. Right here you just have to identify your markets, but if you don't know, well, this is how exactly we do it. Right here, first thing first, you have to put your market right here. So I prefer to use USDT instead of BTC because USDT has a lot of pairs. So you're just gonna go ahead and click USDT right here, and right here you have to put the amount that you want to trade with. So you already know that I always suggest you guys to use at least 30 USD minimum, but you can use like 100 USD or 200 USD, doesn't really matter. But in this video we're just going to use like 100 USD as always. So just going to type right here 100, and right here you have to put how many arbitrage opportunities we have to see from KUCOIN. So we want to see the at least top 7 arbitrage opportunities from KUCOIN, but just gonna put 7 like this. And right here, these are settings for auto trading. All right, and if I already subscribed to the channel, I already showed you how exactly you can put these settings, like, you know, getting API keys or secret keys from an exchange and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So I already showed all this in a previous video, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description below as well. But right now we're just gonna do a manual trade because I want to show you guys how exactly triangular crypto arbitrage is done in one crypto exchange and with a triangular crypto arbitrage scanner. So of course you have to leave this feature disabled because this is for auto trading. If you want this scanner to do pretty much the job for you, then you're just gonna have to enable it. But because we're doing this whole thing manual, so we're just gonna leave it disabled like this, and all you have to do is to click apply like this. So it's just gonna scan just like right here, as you can see, and within 7 seconds it's gonna give us arbitrage opportunities, and we have to take advantage of these arbitrage opportunities within 5 minutes. You know what I mean? Because, you know, arbitrage opportunities come and go, so there's no way you can pretty much copy and stuff like that. You have to use it, you have to take advantage of them within 5 minutes. So as soon as arbitrage opportunity comes, we're just gonna go right straight to KUCOIN, and I'm gonna show you how exactly triangular crypto arbitrage is done, and it's very, very simple to use. Everyone can actually do this. All right, guys, so as you can see right now, we got these opportunities, and this is the top 7 from KUCOIN exchange. As you can see, first one, we got BTC to ETH, and is 6.5. Here we have USDC. Okay, right here we have XMR to BTC, then back to USDT, and right here we have USDT to, okay, let's take XMR to BTC, then back to USDT, and it's going to give us at least 5.5% right here, and we have to do this within 5 minutes. So right now we're just going to jump right into KUCOIN crypto exchange, and we're just going to do it as soon as possible right there. So let's dive right into my phone. All right, guys, so right now we are in my phone, and you can see that I've got at least 100 USD right here, and we're gonna use these funds to do this triangular crypto arbitrage, right? So we're just gonna go to where it's written trade right here, and we want to trade XMR. All right, they say we must buy XMR right now, so I'm just gonna say XMR like this. So we're gonna have to buy this one right here where it's written USDT to XMR because we have USDT in our wallet. All right, so as you can see that I can actually use like a limit order because a lot of people complain about limit order and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna put 100%. Let's buy at this price. But thing is, we have only 5 minutes and you don't want to wait and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So we have placed an order. Yeah, right now you can see that we have some XMR right here. We can sell this XMR. So we're gonna have to sell this XMR to BTC. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written XMR to BTC, XMR to BTC right here, and we're gonna have to sell it, all of it. All right, like this, and click sell. Okay, let's say at this price right there. We've placed an order waiting to be filled. and let's use a market order because we want to wait and stuff like that. Just like that. Now we have some BTC in our wallet. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead to where it's written BTC to USDT and sell that BTC to USDT and see if we're gonna make profit or not. BTC to USDT right here, right? And then we're gonna have to sell this amount of BTC to USDT. All right, we can even use a limit order, doesn't really matter. Right, if we go to sell limit order, doesn't really matter, but because of time we're just gonna use a market order. I want this order to be filled immediately, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put 100% and click sell like this, then boom. Now we have to check, let's click buy. All right, so you can see that we made at least 5 USD exactly as predicted. From a scanner said we're gonna make 5.5%, and this is exactly what we made right here on KUCOIN. So it means that we actually did this arbitrage opportunity in time. So if you go to assets right here, you can see that we have 5 USD in our wallet. So we started with 100 USD, and right now we have at least 105 USD in our wallet. So triangular crypto arbitrage, guys, is very easy, and anyone can actually do this, and the link to this scanner is also going to be in the description below as well. And guys, if you want this scanner, you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online right here and scroll down, and you're gonna find this scanner under trading indicators and tools. Right here is called Heavy Crypto Triangular Crypto Arbitrage Scanner right here, and right now is on a discount, at least 30% discount, and this is only for this week. And if you want to take your trading career to another level, then I recommend you guys to check out Web.3 Masterclass. And this course covers pretty much anything about crypto trading and stuff like that. And if you're a beginner, make sure you check out Crypto for Beginners right here. And this course is going to help you to understand Bitcoin standard and everything. And if you're a developer, make sure you check out Smart Contract Development course. And this course is going to help you out to introduce you to Ethereum smart contracts. And if you want to book me for one-on-one, guys, make sure you check out one-on-one mentorship program, whereby I'm going to train you every day for a week and stuff like that. Whether you want to talk about triangular crypto arbitrage and stuff like that, or futures trading and all that, make sure you check out one-on-one mentorship program. And this is a program for 1 week, whereby I'm going to be seeing you every day and stuff like that, depending on your availability. So guys, this is it. My name is Arthur, and the link to Heavy Crypto University online is also going to be in the description below as well. Therefore, so the video, thank you for watching and all that good stuff, and make sure you like and subscribe and all that. So therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.